Let's take a moment and I'll show you how to reset the microprocessor on your new Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have hard buttons on the side, or buttons in the glass like this one, and may or may not have a built-in DVD player, the on-screen and button operation is identical for the following Pioneer AVH-EX model in-dash receivers: AVH-240EX and 241EX, DMH-240EX and 241EX, DMH-340EX, 341EX, and 342EX. If you ever need to reset the receiver, so the receiver's just doing something weird, not normal display, not normal audio output, anything like that, you might need to reset the microprocessor, and it's very easy to do. So right here behind the USB panel, we'll pull that down, and there is a button in the center right above the USB port. It might be difficult to see in the video here, but use a small point like a pen, or here I'm using a paper clip, and press that button right in the middle. You can see that the system has reset and will automatically restart. And this will clear up many different weird little problems that may appear on the display or the output of the receiver. Now, please note, if you have the Pioneer DMH-340EX, 341EX, or 342EX, the microprocessor reset button is right up here on the top left.